Hey guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. You guys, are we giving Meltiana? Because I want you to know that this is not glued to my head. I know this is not glued to my head and I am super excited. This is from MEGALOOK. I have ordered from this company in the past and I loved it. I get my long, super luscious curly hair from them and I am a big fan. I don't have any product in this hair and like I said, it's not glued down, not got to bead. We're just here. I did a new technique when it comes to baby hairs because as you guys can see, it's giving no baby hair look yet hide that hairline, and your girl is here for it. I can flip the hair from side to side. I just wanted to keep this wig install as beginner friendly as possible. If you wanted to go in and make a defined part, you could because this is a lace frontal, but I want to be able to wear this wig this way for as long as possible. So hope you guys enjoy this super different wig install. You guys are gonna be so shooketh when you guys see the way I cut these baby hairs, but it's a really trust the process kind of video and I hope you guys enjoy. And let's just get straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
Jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So guys, this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It's got an adjustable strap and a few little combs. This is what the front of the lace is giving. Okay, and as you guys can see, it is a frontal and they do have some additional lace in the back. Bleached the knots and I did pluck at the hairline a bit. Okay, so this is how the hairline is looking. I want to do a different type of install today. The majority of the time when I'm putting on a wig, I just like to put it on and go. I'm going to briefly show you guys what we're going to do. Okay, so what I want to do differently today is I'm going to cut the lace off first. I normally will glue the wig down, cut the lace off, but today I want to cut the lace as close to the hairline that I can possibly get it, because like I said, I want to wear this wig glueless, and so far looking at the actual hairline, I have to cut it as close as I can. So literally what I mean, the hair that you guys see, and it's gonna be easier to literally put your finger here so you can guide it. I'm gonna cut it as close to the hairline as I can. Okay, now that I have it to where I like it, I like to just pin these two elastics together to give it the tightest fit. I can assure you that your glueless wig is not going anywhere. So the thing that we're gonna do differently today, I am really excited about this. And as you guys can see, the hairline looks really good. Like I said, I didn't glue it down, so we're going to have to cover that, but I wanna just wear the wig kind of as natural as can be, no dedicated part. But to do so, this is the part. To start off by sectioning the baby hairs, and we want a bunch, okay? Like I say, a bunch. This whole hairline is going to be baby hair. Like I said, something that I've never done before. So all of this, so we need to section it all out. And after we do it the first time, we shouldn't have to do it again. And I'm not gonna put any products in it because I want to wear this style this way for as long as possible. As you guys can see my hair. I normally cut it off, but recently I've been, I guess, growing it back out. So we're going to section out our baby hair. And you guys can see the scalp, so that's what we want. So we have all of our baby hair. We're taking the perimeter, okay? As you guys can see, we're taking all of the perimeter. And this is a lot, I know. But you kind of got to trust the process and trust yourself. I did bleach the knots and I did pluck out the hairline a bit. So this is how much we have dedicated to baby hair. I know it's a lot, right? It's a lot, but it's not a lot, but we still got a lot of hair in the back. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut all of this. I wish I had like better shears. But just cut it off. Cut it off. I know. We're gonna next go on with some mousse. I wish this mousse wasn't as heavy as it actually is, but this is all that I have. And we're going to mousse the hairline and swoosh some baby hairs. Hopefully this is short enough, but as you guys can see, I dedicated the perimeter of the hairline for the baby hairs. Typically people just do the middle, maybe some side swooshes, and then the sideburns, but we did the whole hairline. We didn't do a lot, even though it does look like a lot of hair, it's not. And it's the perimeter. This is going to make your wigs completely glueless, hairline seamless as possible, but we just have to hope that the process works. So I have this heavy duty mousse, and this is from the Dollar Tree. This is all that I have. Use what you have. This is what we're gonna be using. It's really thick. This is why I don't really have any makeup on my face and or hairline, because we have to do it like this. Mine might be a little too long, so we just need to make it a little shorter. We're going for curly baby hairs, and these are just a little too long. So as you guys could see, the hair itself was very curly, but right now the baby hairs are just too long. You can kind of just, you know, take your baby hairs and swoop them just with your finger. And we're not going for like defined baby hairs. We're really going more for curly. So you just keep moving them around. We're not going for defined. If they look defined, we're gonna just keep brushing them because we don't want define anything. Okay, so what I ended up doing was just, you guys seen I have all the hair out, but the hairline is melted. I did not glue anything down. I just wanted the hairline to be as authentic as possible, and that was the purpose. So I just brushed the hair back. That was it. Like, brush the hair back, and this is what the hairline is giving. Like I said, I did bleach the knots, but I think that by cutting those short baby hairs, it just gives it a more natural look. You guys can see it's kind of sticking up. Sometimes when the hair in the front is a little too long, I notice that it just doesn't look as natural or as melted, and I do love it. I don't have any, like, it's glueless, but I don't feel like it's going anywhere, and I absolutely love that the hairline is completely gone. Like, this piece, you could just, you know, throw a little more hair in front, but I think that by me cutting that base around the hairline, it just made it look so much more flawless, so much more seamless. I could even wear it in a ponytail, but you guys are going to see me just throw it from side to side. I'm not going to put any like dedicated part in, but I just have been brushing it, and I haven't been keeping anything perfect. Like, I've just been actually messily doing it, because think about it, unless you're going on the red carpet, you're not trying to go for perfection. At least I'm not. I'm trying to go for what looks the most natural, and right now this does. So I didn't put any product in the hair because I wanted it to be the natural curl pattern as possible, and it's super pretty. I'm really here for this color. The cool thing about this wig is, like I said, it's glueless, so when I take it off and I put it back on, it's gonna look just like this. Absolutely love it. Let's just throw the hair to the front. This is 22 inches, and it looks really, really good. For anybody wondering, I am 5'5", and I am absolutely here for this hair. It's super gorgeous. Let me just briefly show you guys the packaging, how it came presented. It did come in this little plastic bag, and it does say 22 inch. Their packaging is this. It says MEGALOOK. Inside of the box, there was MEGALOOK makeup bag that has 2 sets of lashes. Let me just show you guys the lashes. So these are the first set of lashes, second set of lashes. These are just like natural looking lashes. They look like Ardell lashes, and y'all know how expensive those are. Next, they give you like a little melt belt, but I like to put these around my neck, fashion statement wise, but you can melt your hairline with that. And then they also give you a wig cap. All in all, I am 110% impressed with this hair. I will absolutely wear it like this. I've been trying to keep my wig installs a little more beginner friendly. I know that cutting the lace and cutting the lace is super easy. You just put your finger there and cut it like I showed you guys. But the way I just cut the baby hairs, I know it could be intimidating and very scary, but I want you guys to know that I made a thin line, no matter how much hair it looked, because it's like 250 density wig. I cut a little bit of hair. Like, I want you to know, I just cut the perimeter, the whole perimeter. Normally people just cut either the middle, the 2 sides, and the sideburns. I just cut the whole perimeter because I wanted to camouflage the lace as much as possible. And by me doing that and using the mousse and elastic banding it the way I did, this wig is not going anywhere. I am here for it. The color is beautiful, and I think that it looks really good. I'm not gonna put any product in this hair because I want this wig to be wearable for as long as possible. I noticed that whenever I normally do a hair care regimen on my hair, kinky curly hair, and start adding products to it, I find that it tangles the most. So just washing it, deep conditioning it, and then letting it air dry will give you the most natural curl pattern. Your hair won't tangle, especially if you're trying to wear it glueless. I think that if you're gonna glue it down and wear it on your head for like 2 weeks, go on ahead and detangle it every night so you don't wake up with any mats. But since I do take this wig off nighttime and put it back on, this is cute. this is cute. Like, this hairline is really giving it to me, and I am absolutely here for it. So hope you guys enjoyed. I know that baby hair cutting tutorial was a little scary, but the final result is so beautiful. I feel like I don't have baby hairs yet. It looks like the hair is growing out of my scalp, and the lace itself is not like, I kept some lace. The lace is not like a melty texture, because as you guys can see, you can still see it. It's got like a white hue on it, but the good thing about this kind of lace is you can manipulate it to any color that you want, but I prefer like a melted kind of texture. But I am here for this wig. Super cute, super comfortable, definitely big head friendly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video. I am absolutely here for it. This color is beautiful. This wig is beautiful. Like I said, if I didn't reiterate, I did bleach the knots and I did pluck the hairline. For anyone who is going to get this wig and not think that your hair looks like mine, I did bleach the hairline, okay? And I always do. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch y'all in my next beginner friendly easy wig install. Alright, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jdevinci.